Hello, my name is Devina Sajahid, and in this video I will be talking about the task that has been given to me for my take-home final exam, that is to create my self-reflection about this course. Since this task has been divided into two parts, part 1 is writing-based reflection and part 2 is video-based reflection. I will be doing the video-based reflection since this is a video. So let's take a look at part 2. Reflection video. You are expected to make a self-reflection video with a duration of 3 to 6 minutes. You must be video recording your self-reflection on this course by summarizing all the items in part 1. Creativity is encouraged, but the most important is the video must be informative. So let's take a look at part 1. Please discuss your expectation from this course. Overall, I really like about this course because the lectures, the assignments, the tests, and the labs are straightforward. The experience of learning this course has been really positive for me. So moving on to B. What do you think of the topic that you have studied in this semester? The topic was very detailed and organized. I will say I have learned quite a bit, actually a lot, from the topic that provided in this course. So moving on to C. Did this course provide you what you had hoped it would? Yes. It was a very interesting course because I'm not a huge fan of science, but this course has helped me to realize that a world without science, especially computer science, there will be no computer, car, mobile phone, any other type of technology, the past technology, the modern technology. So yeah. So moving on to D. List the knowledge or concept that you valued in each lecture and give reason why. Okay, in topic 1, it shows me that the inside of the computer, for example, the RAM, the ROM, the motherboard, the SATA, FATA, and etc. So in topic 2, it teaches me that the computer uses binary to store data, and in topic 3, it shows how the computers flow, the program flow, the interrupt cycle. And moving on to topic 8, the input output. For example, my mouse is an input, my speaker is an output. Okay, I will give example for my mouse. So since this is an input, so whenever I plug it, the cursor will move. So whenever I unplug it, the cursor will not move. So I plug it back since I need it. Okay, the cursor will move again. So this is an input. Same also my earphone is an output. Okay, moving on to E. No, D. So overall, it teaches me how computers work, how computers' brains work. So moving on to E. Share the most important idea or concept learned or skill developed in class. In topic 9, the computer arithmetic, it gives me the skill, the mathematical skill for my math class. Teaches me how binary, the add, the sub, the minus, same also the substitute, divide, how to divide binary. So yeah. So moving on to F, describe an impact of your class and influence. Okay, this one, I have been doing the using online tools, how to make a 3D design. So this is my 3D design. Oh, excuse me. Oops. This is my 3D design that I've been doing for my spare times. I think I've been doing it yesterday or 2 days before. So yeah, this is my 3D design that I've been doing for my future skill. So moving on to G. What do you like about this class and what did you least like about this class? I have a few I have least like about this class, but I have a lot of likes about this class because this class helps me to gain idea, the knowledge that I needed to know about the computer's world, to do more research for future invention, and like that. The least part is that I hope that should make I think I don't have a like the least. What did you leave this? No, I don't have any. So this is my video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.